Welcome to another makeup tutorial for beginners. First is face primer to prime the face. Next is foundation. Next is cream bronzer. Next is cream blush. Next is concealer to highlight. Blend, blend, blend. Next is setting powder to set the face. Next is eyes. Using this reddish brown shade all over the eyelid. Then the crease, a darker shade on the outer crease. Highlighter to highlight the face. Sorry, for the eyelid. A little highlighter for the eyelid, then line the eyes with a black liquid liner. Mascara. False lash off camera. Then powder blush. Setting spray to set the face. Then lip. I'm using this lip palette from Blossom Makeup. Using this red shade from the lip palette. And this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe and like to support me.